Hey YouTube, Will835, and today I've got an unboxing of the Airfield F4U Corsair. This is coming from nitroplanes.com, and let's open up this box. I already cut the tape for us. It's too hard to cut tape while you're filming, so I did that. First thing we see here is spare prop. I also bought the stabilizer, the gyro for this thing, just to see how it works. And then I got some batteries, some rechargeable batteries. Okay, now here's the plane. Here's the box for the plane. Go ahead and pause this, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. Here's the box. It's actually really light, because it's styrofoam. So anyhow, this is the Corsair that I got, the gray one, and it's still sealed, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the tape here and open her up. Alright, it's done. Let me take the lid off. Alright, here we go. So, here are all the little, well, all the big parts and pieces for this plane. Everything's taped together here. I'm going to keep using this X-Acto knife. This guy's got tape heavy here. Tape happy, I mean. Alright, so first thing we see are the bombs and missiles and the instructions. Let's see if we can get this thing out. Alright, so here is, hold on. Got this tape here so we can get the wings out. Okay. Then you got these styrofoams that are blocking it. Alright, there we go. So here is the wing. I don't know if you can see that. And here's the other side. The other side's white with the blue navy on there. Okay, and then here are the wheels. Okay, and a few more spare props. So that's good. And again, here's the wheels with some, what looks to be glue. And what is that? Another missile or something? Anyhow, that's that. Okay, more tape I need to cut. Okay, there's that. There's the other side. And lastly, hold on, I need to cut more tape. tape to cut. Okay. Let's see if I got it. One more tape to cut. Okay. There is the fuselage. Very nicely detailed. Here's the pilot. See if I can take this thing out here. Hold on. Alright, sorry about that. So there's the fuselage. Very nice. Let's see. Here's the inside. So overall, I'm very happy with the way this looks. It came in one piece. There's nothing broken that I can see. And my next step will be putting it together. So that's all for now. I'll make another video on after the build and show you what it looks like. Thanks for watching.